And weather now with Jenny Woodward. Now, will Cyclone Lucas affect us at all, Jenny?
No, Lexy, it's really too far away, but we might see some increased swells later in the week. Hello everyone. Fairly quiet today. A few showers about the southeast and some storms out near the western border. Balearic Gas had a wind gust of 88 kilometres an hour and 8 millimetres of rain. And there have been some storms about the far northern Cape too, 16 millimetres in Cohen this afternoon. Now look at last month's temperatures, and Brisbane Airport had its coldest January on record, which is not surprising during a La Nina, as the cloud cover gives us cooler days and warmer nights. So even so, there's still an overall rise in the temperatures since 1970 by 1.3 degrees. But this map shows the increase in the 30-degree days or more. In Amberley, we've had about 5 more since the 1970s, 8 in Bundaberg, while just over 12 days more in Maroochydore. But Brisbane City, there's no change. Today, another scorcher for Birdsville, 45 degrees, 42 in Thargomindah and Winton, and 30 degrees around the Wide Bay area. Townsville got up to 33. Still 25 in Brisbane right now after reaching 30 in the city and Ipswich, and it was just a little bit warmer further west in Gatton. Mainly clear skies across the state. Now that's storm activity creeping into the west here, and we've also got some storms around the northern Cape. Still a lot of clouds streaming across from the west from the low, which could develop into a cyclone. While we've got Cyclone Lucas near New Caledonia, and also there's Anna further east. Another wet day ahead all along the east coast, 24 the top for Sydney, and some of those showers will push into Canberra, 25 expected there. Darwin will be almost cool, a top of only 29 degrees, but there's a 90% chance of rain and possibly a storm. Onto the chart, and the inland trough will push a little bit further east tomorrow, and we'll have this hot tropical air mass feeding in, so there'll be an increase in showers and storms. Meanwhile, the coastal showers will increase, especially in the southeast corner as an upper trough is added to the mix. And of course, more showers and storms in the tropics in the unstable conditions, and that shower and storm activity will really pick up on Wednesday in eastern parts. To forecasts, and showers and storms possible across the north, but more likely on the far northern Cape. Mostly sunny around the Herbert with 31 for Townsville. Showers and storms about the southern and central interior, and we'll see some showers about the southeast tomorrow with a high chance on the Golden Sunshine Coast. Some heavy falls are possible on the Granite Belt too, a top of 24 in Applethorpe. For Brisbane, wet up to 15 millimetres on the forecast. There could be a storm later in the day too, with 22 to 28 in the city, up to 29 for Ipswich, and 28 also expected in Caboolture. Moreton Bay, east-northeasterlies 10 to 15 knots and seas under a metre. Wet again on Wednesday with another 15 millimetres possible and the chance of a storm. Then some light showers in the days that follow. So it's going to heat up next week too, Lexy. 34 degrees expected.
All right, thanks, Jen. Take care. And that's all from us for now. Here is Lee Sales.
Hello and welcome. Good to be back with you. Almost a year on, the coronavirus pandemic continues to dominate daily life in Australia. Right as borders in the east finally reopened, Western Australia has been plunged into a 5-day lockdown. Because it's relied so heavily on border closures, this is the